Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make a very simple, delicious fried rice recipe that is quick, easy and perfect for any meal. With just a few ingredients, you'll have a flavorful dish in no time. So let's get cooking. Alright, to start off, we are going to cook our rice. I'm using jasmine rice for its wonderful aroma and fluffy texture. Okay, I have 1 cup of rice. I'm going to go ahead and wash it thoroughly. So once I'm done washing, I'll pour it into my saucepan. Add in 1 cup of water. To season it, we'll go in with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm using about a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. We'll go ahead to mix everything together. And also make sure you add in your oil, okay? About a tablespoon. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my stove top, cover it and cook it until tender. Once that is done, I'll let it cool down. It helps prevent the rice from getting mushy when frying. So while our rice is cooling down, let's prep our other ingredients. We'll go ahead to chop some spring onions, separating the greens from the white. And guys, you can choose to use any vegetable of your choice. This is what I have available, so I decided to make this simple recipe. Alright, so I have 5 eggs here. You can just go ahead to crack them, whisk them, then set it aside. To make our fried rice, I'm just going to go ahead and melt some butter, about a tablespoon. You can use oil or coconut oil, that works perfectly too, okay? We'll go ahead to melt my butter. Using the butter will give me that richness to the dish and keep everything from sticking. Once our butter is ready, I'm going to go ahead to crack my eggs into the pan. We'll stir fry them until they are cooked. Then I'm going to move them to one side of the pan and add in a little butter to the side of the pan. We'll allow it to melt a little bit, then add the whites of the spring onions to the pan and fry them until translucent. This creates a great base of flavor. Just make sure you stir it continually until they are just set. Then I'm going to mix the spring onion and the eggs together and add in my rice. Once the rice goes in, I'll make sure I mix everything together really well. So guys, if you're using leftover rice, I recommend that you microwave it or warm it up a little bit before adding it in, because it makes the stir fry easier. Once everything is well mixed, I'll then add in the crushed garlic, mix it together. The garlic will infuse the dish with its amazing aroma. Finally, I'll toss in the green part of the spring onion. They add a fresh pop of color and a mild onion flavor that ties everything together. We'll give it a good stir to combine everything together, and your fried rice is ready, guys. There you have it, simple, easy and absolutely delicious fried rice. Serve it as a side dish or enjoy it as a meal on its own. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my new videos. Let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.